The peculiarity of our clients is that they have come to realize that they were maliciously, deliberately misled by the state and by the implementers of the COVID-19 policy for no other purpose than to make them take a COVID-19 injection.
Yeah, these proceedings are civil proceedings on the merits before the court in LIABILITY, where we want to have investigated all facts related to the COVID-19 Great Reset project and the corresponding COVID-19 injections on behalf of our clients. This has never happened in the history of the Kingdom of the Netherlands. Our clients and the foundation believe that this case is of great social importance and should receive a lot of public attention.
Welcome to DVO Studio. We have invited you in connection with proceedings initiated by you on behalf of a number of plaintiffs with COVID-19 injection damage against the state of the Netherlands and key figures. Thank you for coming and your willingness to explain things on behalf of your clients. Peter, what are these proceedings about?
These proceedings are about 7 plaintiffs who have suffered serious to very serious personal injury as a result of the effects of the COVID-19 injections they received. The peculiarity of our clients is that they have come to realize that they were maliciously, deliberately misled by the state and by the implementers of the COVID-19 policy for no other purpose than to make them take a COVID-19 injection. Our clients particularly blame the state and all the implementers for this because they knew that these injections had nothing to do with public health and are harmful to health. The proceedings are being conducted on the legal basis of tort. The central thesis is that COVID-19 is not a disease but an unlawful project as part of the Great Reset.
Arno, what makes this procedure so special?
Yeah, these proceedings are civil proceedings on the merits before the court in LIABILITY, where we want to have investigated all facts related to the COVID-19 Great Reset project and the corresponding COVID-19 injections on behalf of our clients. Our clients do not want to hear half-truth or other truth in the court proceedings, but only the truth and nothing but the truth. What is special about these proceedings is that the entire Dutch state, this means all state ministries and institutions, are being sued by our clients for deliberately committing an unlawful act against them and in fact against the entire Dutch people. Not only the state but also several executive leaders are being sued in private by our clients for deliberately committing an unlawful act. This has never happened in the history of the Kingdom of the Netherlands since 1813 until the 14th of July 2023.
Peter, what is the status of the civil proceedings on the merits?
The proceedings formally commenced on 14 July. On that Friday, bailiffs traveled all over the country to serve summonses to the 17 defendants, among others Mark Rutte, Sigrid Kaag, Marion Koopmans, Jaap van Dissel and other key figures. Since 2 of the defendants live in the United States of America, the public prosecutor's office was also served. This specifically concerned Bill Gates and Bourla, and the summonses to them were also sent by courier to their addresses. This in accordance with the rules of procedure. Bill Gates and Bourla will not escape these proceedings either. The case will be heard on November 22nd. This is an easy date to remember since it is also the date of the general elections in the Netherlands.
Arno, what will happen until November 22nd, 2023?
Yeah, just to be clear, our clients could not conduct these proceedings without the help of the Recht op Recht Foundation. This foundation facilitates the court proceedings and the media around them. Our clients and the foundation believe that this case is of great social importance and should receive a lot of public attention. In the foundation's opinion, the mainstream media pay little or no attention to these socially very important proceedings. Indeed, immediately after July the 14th, the foundation informed the mainstream media about these proceedings, also mentioning their website address, www.rechtoprecht.online. On the foundation's website, the summons with all the 90 attachments is listed. Anyone can view this freely, and the advice to anyone is to do so. The foundation has therefore created its own media channel. Throughout the country, the foundation facilitates so-called media banners, on which announcements related to the proceedings will be posted regularly. These will, of course, always refer to the foundation's website, where all information of the proceedings will be available. In the period up to November the 22nd of 2023, the foundation will do its utmost to give the media banners national coverage. The foundation is also recruiting volunteers and donors during this period to fund the proceedings and the media banner project.
DVO received information that some people have called the court in Leeuwarden asking if the case is known to the court. They stated to these people that the case is not known to them. Peter, can you please explain this?
Good of you to ask this. For most people, the litigation system is a bit confusing. As everybody can read in the summons, the day and date on which the defendants have to report to the court is set for Wednesday, November 22nd, 2023. We, as lawyers for the 7 plaintiffs, have to file or do file the summons with the district court in Leeuwarden no later than this November 22nd, 2023. We have not yet done so, and therefore the case is not yet known to the court in Leeuwarden.
The summons also included an option for the defendants to admit liability. Arno, what about that option?
As everyone can read in the first pages of the summons, we, on behalf of the 7 plaintiffs, have given the 17 defendants the option to admit liability for their committed torts in writing within 14 days. If they fail to do so, we will bring or file the summons with the court. Only the attorney for the state of the Netherlands has come forward to us, and he has, as expected, rejected liability. We have decided to file the summons with all 91 attachments with the Leeuwarden Court in week 32. From then on, the Leeuwarden District Court will have formal knowledge of this case. Our advice to everyone: please follow the information on the foundation's website www.rechtoprecht.online or www.rechtoprecht.site. The foundation will post all relevant documents on its website. A monthly newsletter about the latest developments will also be posted on their website by the Recht op Recht Foundation. You can assume that if something contradicts what is on the website of the Recht op Recht Foundation, it is simply not true. So please take a look at their website and don't just rely on other sources of information.
Peter and Arno, thank you for this enlightening introduction regarding the proceedings on the merits before the court in Leeuwarden against the state of the Netherlands and several key figures. We've agreed that you will regularly come to our studio to give short interviews during the course of the proceedings on the merits. And I'm looking forward to that with great interest.
Thank you.
We too. Thank you.